Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Congratulations on a good job in Indonesia.
Grammar. The focus of this lesson is using the conjunction
Sejak.
meaning.
Untungnya tim kita telah mempersiapkan proyek ini dengan baik sejak peluncuran perdananya.
Luckily, our team has prepared this project very well since its first launch. Conjunctions are used to connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. In Indonesian, there are a lot of conjunctions. Sejak is one of many subordinate conjunctions, conjunctions connecting two or more clauses. For example,
Sejak kecelakaan itu, dia tidak pernah mengendarai mobil lagi.
since the accident, he has never driven a car again. Here the word sejak is used to refer to the condition that takes place first, which is an accident. Later on, the consequence after the condition will be revealed in the next clause, which is he has never driven a car again. Based on its function, sejak is the conjunction used to mark the time between two events, or actions between two clauses in a compound sentence or between two sentences in a paragraph. We often find this conjunction to connect the states since at the time of the incident, event, or action in the main clause that explains the time started when the incident, event, or action in a subordinate clause. Sometimes in a poetic expression sejak is replaced by the word semenjak, which also has the same meaning. For example,
Semenjak guru baru itu datang, anak-anak menjadi lebih semangat belajar.
since the new teacher came, the children have been more excited to study. In the sentence above, the word semenjak is used to express the change of condition, and then after the new teacher has come, the new situation occurs, the children get more excited to study. Sejak in interrogative form usually comes with kapan or in free translation can be translated as since when. The formula is sejak plus kapan meaning since when. For example,
Sejak kapan Aceh telah dilengkapi sistem peringatan bahaya tsunami?
since when has Aceh been equipped with the tsunami warning system? For example, 1. Sejak tsunami 2004 lalu, Aceh telah mengadopsi sistem peringatan bahaya tsunami. Since the 2004 tsunami, Aceh has had the tsunami warning system. The most common pattern in using conjunction sejak or since is sejak plus a period of time. For example, sejak December, sejak tahun 2008, sejak pagi, since December, since 2008, since morning. For example,
Hujan turun sejak pagi ini.
rain has been falling since this morning.
Kereta itu mulai beroperasi sejak tahun 2008.
The train has been in operation since 2008. Did you know? Salat is praying in the faith of Islam, and the people who believe in Islam are called Muslim. With around 207 million people who believe in Islam, this is 87% of the population. Indonesia has the largest Muslim population in the world. Muslims believe that every day, they have to conduct prayer or salat 5 times a day. The times are determined by the movement of the sun. The 5 times are near dawn, noon, afternoon, after sunset, and nightfall. Almost all institutions in Indonesia such as schools, universities and workplaces have designated places where Muslims can do the salat activities. Masjid is the word for mosque in Indonesian. Besides masjid, a small room to conduct salat is usually called musalla, comes from Arabic, mashallah. As Christians hold Sunday as a special day for praying in church, Muslims consider Friday as the special day for praying in masjid.
Vocabulary.
Sejak.
Since.
Presentasi.
Presentation.
Baik.
Well.
Siapkan.
To prepare.
Bekerja keras.
To work hard.
Pertanyaan.
Question.
Peluncuran.
Launch.
Juga.
To, also.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Artis terkenal itu berhenti bekerja sejak ia menikah.
The famous artist is no longer working since she is married.
Murid-murid telah menyelesaikan tugas mereka dengan baik.
The students have finished their task and done it well.
Karena kemarau yang panjang, para petani bekerja keras untuk kesuksesan panen tahun ini.
Because of the long drought season, farmers have worked hard for the success of this year's crops.
Guru itu sedang menanyakan sebuah pertanyaan kepada murid-muridnya.
The teacher is asking the student a question.
Perusahaan itu mengadakan peluncuran produk baru mereka.
The company is launching their new products.
Saya mau ikut juga.
I want to come along, too.
Apa mau ke keraton juga?
Do you want to go to the keraton as well?
Juga. Juga.
That can be translated as also. People use
Juga.
as additional information to complement the first sentence, for example.
Sebagai fisikawan yang cemerlang, juga dikenal sebagai seorang astronom dan alkemis yang jenius.
Meaning, as a bright physicist, Newton was also well known as a great astronomer and alchemist.
Baik. Baik.
As the adverb of the sentence can be translated as well. Dia menyelesaikan tugasnya dengan baik, meaning he has done his task very well. As an adverb, baik usually takes place at the end of the sentence. Baik also can functions as an adjective, which can be translated as good. For example, dia orang yang baik, meaning he is a good person.
Pertanyaan.
Pertanyaan can be translated as question. This root of this noun comes from the word tanya, or to ask. If tanya gets the prefix me and suffix kan to form menanyakan, it can be function as the verb asking. For example,
Saya menanyakan sumber data itu.
can be translated as I am asking the source of the data.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Presentasi yang bagus, Andi.
Really great presentation, Andy.
Terima kasih Pak Joko.
Thank you, Mr. Joko.
Semoga kita bisa memenangkan proyek ini.
I hope we can win this project.
Delegasi dari Singapura sangat antusias mendengarkan presentasimu.
The delegation from Singapore was very enthusiastic to hear your presentation.
Iya, dan mereka banyak memberikan pertanyaan.
Yes, and they asked a lot of questions.
Kamu juga telah menjawab pertanyaan mereka dengan baik.
You also answered their questions very well.
Untungnya tim kita telah mempersiapkan proyek ini dengan baik sejak peluncuran perdananya.
Luckily, our team has prepared this project very well since its first launch.
Kamu telah bekerja keras, semoga kita akan mendengar kabar baik secepatnya.
You have worked hard. Hopefully we will hear the good news soon.
Iya Pak, saya juga bersiap-siap untuk salat.
Yes, sir. I also have to prepare for my salat prayer.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.